Hey y'all, watch me hydrate my girl's hair using this Aloe Vera hair mask. So we went to dry to hydrate it. So if y'all want to see how I did this and what ingredients I used, then stay tuned. Alright y'all, so I'm starting off with the fresh aloe vera plants, and then I have a container to put the mixed in. And then I'll be starting off with cutting the size of the aloe vera plants, and then once I have it cut up into sections, I'm going to take a spoon and then I'm just going to scrape out the inside of that gel and putting it into the container that I'll be using for the mixture. So yeah, I'm just doing that right now. Okay, y'all, so I combined the gel from the aloe vera plant along with some coconut oil. I melted the coconut oil a little bit, and so it could be an easier stir. So now I'm just stirring everything together, and then I'm going to get started on applying it to their hair. Okay, as y'all can see, I'm sectioning the hair off into 4 sections, and then each section that I do, I just take the braid down and then I apply the gel. I got a little bit on baby boy, but it's alright. But yeah, so that's all I'm doing right now. I'm just taking down each section and then applying that hair mask to the scalp and the roots and the ends of the hair. And I also dipped it in there as well to give it like an easier coat of the product. Okay, yeah, I'm on my next section. As y'all saw, I was combing the hair out with the product in it just so that I can make sure that I get the root to the tips, and then it'll make it softer when I comb it as well. And then once I finish the section with the product, I just go ahead and twist it together so that I can just keep it sectioned off as I'm applying the hair mask into each sections. Okay, yeah, I put the plastic bag over their hair once I'm done so it can lock in the moisture. And yeah, I did the same thing to Bud's hair, to baby girl's hair. And as y'all can see, it's hydrated, the curls is bouncing and shiny. Thank y'all so much for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.